Hello, and welcome to AFD TV. I'm Bree here with Dr. Sam from America's Family Doctors, and today we're going to be answering your questions. Welcome, Dr. Sam.
Thanks, Bree.
Today's questions come from Sandy in Franklin, Tennessee. She asks, how do we beat the heat and stay safe doing it?
That's a great question, especially in these days we're having weeks of heat index over 100 degrees. Not only do we have to look at the temperature, we also have to look at the heat index. And if the heat index is 110 degrees, it's really pretty dangerous to go outside. Number one thing to do is time your outdoor activities. We recommend people to go outside and get the fresh air and the sunshine, but try to go out after 5 o'clock and try to stay in the shade. That's when things are starting to cool down. Drink lots of water before, during, and after. Always try to carry a big water bottle with you. Just fill some water bottles, keep them in your fridge, and just keep reusing them. It's also extremely important to realize that dehydration illness can even lead to comas and death. A lot of people think it's only in elderly or kids, but actually it's not. A lot of the elderly and kids know better to stay inside, but it's the younger ones who go on the boat, may have a couple of drinks with their friends, the alcohol dehydrates them, and next thing you know, they're in the hospital. So number one moral of the story is none of us are Superman, none of us are Superwoman. Drink lots of water, avoid alcohol, and that's how we beat the heat.
Okay, so have lots of fun this summer, but try to do it after 5 o'clock and stay hydrated. So thank you so much, Dr. Sam. That's all the time that we have today, and we will see you all next time.
The preceding advice provided in this video is informational and strictly the opinions of Dr. Sam Yadrala and AFD Clinics. For a more accurate medical opinion of your personal health, please consult your primary care physician or visit one of AFD's clinics today.